And we see the verbal rhetoric from Beijing, the saber rattling as well, just the overall displeasure in terms of the response to President Tsai Ing-wen's visit. Is this a new normal, and how do investors navigate around the geopolitical risks then?
Hi, good morning. Thank you, Anne. Well, I think that definitely no one's happy to call it as a new normal, but this is definitely what we have experienced. I think we can see the tension in between the Taiwan and China, China and U.S. It's getting worse, and you can say that. And I'm actually deeply concerned about that, because what I also aware is that both parties are trying to push the line even harder and harder. And in terms of how the market will respond, I think the instability will be the first consequence the market will feel. If you're looking back at what happened in the market last August, we're seeing almost all the Asian markets failed on the day that Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan. Taiwan market in particular fell about more than 2%. China, Hong Kong, they all fell about 2% on the date. But moving forward in a bit of a near-term, a longer-term point of view, I think what I can also foresee is that decoupling in some of the sectors, that chips, technologies will be unavoidable, and I'm likely to see that will accelerate.
So which are the areas that you'll be looking at a little bit more closely, and I guess which are the ones to avoid, for example, Asia Tech?
Well, yes, I think Asian tech is definitely will be on top of these. We have already seen some of the progress, some development in the chip industry. We just having heard yesterday that Japan has getting a new agreement with the U.S., and China is now putting all the effort they can to develop their own chip. So that's trying what Xi Jinping is trying, like technology independency. I think that's the one that will be, if there's area that will decoupling, I think they will be definitely on top of that. Apart from that, we are seeing that both of the parties, they're also trying very hard to develop their other very advanced technology. AI is another area that have been seen quite severe competition in between two superpowers. So both of them, which I think will definitely will be the industry that been affected quite severely by this tension.